What is up, you guys? Welcome back. In this short little video, I'm going to discuss a topic that has bugged you probably once or twice. So, as you have been on the community market, you've probably noticed an item like this. Some kind of random Dota 2 or CSGO or TF2 item that costs nothing, and there is really not that many of them. So why is this item between the other items which are the most popular items on the market? Well, let's click on it and take a look. As you can see, there is barely any requests to buy for this item. There is a bunch of this item for sale, I guess for 15 cents. It's nothing special, I guess. But when you take a look at the graph, 400, 100, 200, 300, 100, 160, 40. This is crazy. What the hell is going on, you might ask? Well, there is a couple of reasons for this to be happening. By the way, this is last month. Just check the lifetime. This has been going on for a long time. So the first reason that this would happen is that people want to transfer money between their accounts. There is a lot of people with a lot of money on Steam. So if they want to get the money fast from one account to another, they just buy this item for 14 cents on their main account, and then from the secondary account they buy that item for a lot of money. So all that money goes to their main account. Well, minus 15%, which goes to Steam, but I guess they're willing to pay that 15% in order to transfer money between accounts. This could be used for a lot of reasons. I can think of money laundering as one of the reasons, but who even knows? Or I guess if someone found a great deal and he has money on both accounts, but neither account has enough money, I guess in that case he can transfer some of that money on his main account and buy that item. But I don't think that should happen as often as it does. And the second reason why this would be happening, and I think this reason is more real, is that hackers use this method to transfer money from victims' accounts to their own accounts. I imagine it like this. You get a virus, and that virus has access to your computer. He doesn't need any confirmations or anything like that to go to your Steam account and buy items on the market. See, right now I have 18 euros. I don't need to confirm anything on my phone if I want to buy this item for 18 euros from somebody, because I'm pretty sure somebody is selling it for 18 euros. If I was hacked, there would be no impediments for that hacker to buy this item from himself for 18 euros and that way transfer all my money to him. And the fact that this is happening so many times, multiple times per day, I think that is the only logical reason to why this is going on. I've actually been told by people that this has happened to them and they lost their money this way. Because while they were doing something else, their account bought some random cheap item for like 20 euros. I wouldn't want this to happen to me, so please do not click any links on Steam or on Discord. There is probably a lot of people wanting to profit this way. Yep, that was pretty much it. I hope now you know why this is going on and you should be careful to not fall for something like this as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.